It's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope that you are all having an amazing day. I certainly am because, guys, like, it's nearly a first on the channel because I actually can't remember the last time I unboxed the full collection from Madam Glam. So thank you so much, Madam Glam. I truly appreciate it. And we're going to get into the unboxing and the swatching. So in no prioritized order, we're going to look at this. So this is Tinsel. So we're just going to talk about the colors, because this is Christmas, right? And I love all the colors they've given you. Magic Night. This is a stunning blue. So as I said, I'm swatching everything. And that deep red, you would never know if you look there, but it's going to be a deep red. That's Christmas Essence. And the discount codes on screen, guys, please feel free to use and share them, guys, because you can save money, especially if you are not a VIP member. Joy. So pretty. And then we have Inner Light. Of course, why not? We all need some Inner Light. This is Merry Berry. So I'm wondering if it's going to be more berry or more pink. And then we have Celestial Green. It's making me think of Castiel. If you know, you know. And last but not least, we have Enchanted Blue. So absolutely gorgeous. So as I said, guys, we are going to swatch these colors because the quicker I do this, the quicker I can decide what we are going to do in terms of what design will I, technically be doing. So what I want to do for my swatch, I want to use the solid color on the base and then the reflective, because that really looks reflective, right? I want to use that and just probably just do a swirl on the nail because I'm just going to use the tips, just the natural tips. And I think that's a good way as well to be able to see just how stunning they are. So here are the colors. So we're going to start with Merry Berry, and this is what she looks like. So it is definitely more a berry, which is fine. And I have already used some Madam Glam base coat on the nails so we can get a nice application. Now, you know, Madam Glam already, they do the very best creamy polishes. Like, we cannot deny this. Okay. So, I think instead of a swirl, I would rather do ombre. Oh my gosh, I'm failing terribly right now. So, you can see this is a full opacity polish. No joke. It's so rich and definitely screaming all the Christmas vibes. So when you hear Celestial Green, what do you think of? The forest? The Garden of Eden? I just can't get over how beautiful. What is wrong with me? Oh my gosh. I'm just looking at the polish and I'm not even paying attention. Celestial Green. So beautiful. And you can see, guys, that is a one coat coverage right there. Like, there's no need for two at all. So we're going to go into Magic Night. Let's have a look at that. And wow, how blue and beautiful is that blue. Oh my goodness. Yes, it's definitely a blue night sky. I get it. When you look up to the sky at night, I wouldn't say late at night, I would say, you know, maybe early evening, it starts to look blue. It's beautiful. And last but not least, Christmas essence. So let's have a look and see what Christmas essence in a bottle looks like. It's red. That's what it is. Oh wow. So stunning. These polishes are absolutely beautiful. I love them. This collection is absolutely beautiful. I don't even know what I'm doing. I mean, I know what I'm doing. I am swatching this beautiful collection, House of Reflection from Madam Glam. Alright, so I will cure for, I'll just do 60 seconds because I'm just doing one coat. So now, in the same order in which I swatched, I'm going to go in with Tinsel, and that's what I'm going to put. Oh my gosh. Can we just take a moment to have a look? Camera cannot cope. So this is highly pigmented and reflective. So, oh my gosh. That's going on top of Mary Berry. Not all the way, but you know. Oh my gosh. So, I cannot comprehend what I'm seeing right now. I'm just going to use the ombre brush, and I'm going to just move that polish around like that, and then we'll just lightly feather it down into the nail. Wow. Now I'm going to pair Celestial Green with Inner Light, and it's a beautiful like yellowy gold, and I'm literally going to just do the same thing. So at the same time you get to see the beautiful colors and just, you know, just some of the many possibilities that you could, you know, have with this collection. Just need a tiny little bit more. So of course I had to pair Magic Night with Enchanted Blue, and let's have a look at what she looks like. Oh my gosh, wow, this is like my charmed sister Raven in a gel polish. So yes, I wanted to pair it with the blue simply because you could have a client or yourself, and you know, you want to do a blue manicure, and you also want, you know, it to scream Christmas and some shimmer. So this is a good way. Now again, I would do 2 thin coats of that. What would go with Christmas essence? Joy. So, of course, it's going to be perfect with this red. And look at that. Look at that. Insane. All the colours. So I'm going to put some of that down. Don't throw the sponges away, guys. You could use it to do nail art. So that just literally takes away all of that gel and it just leaves all the glitter behind, right? We all buy sponges, but if you get Madam Glam PR, you don't need to. So I'm going to flash that. Now this is with 2 coats of Joy. So I'm doing the same thing again. And I'm just going to use the sponge. Now, if I show you that, you can see the difference between that nail and that nail. And that's just simply because all that's left now is the reflective particles. It's so beautiful. That's all done. And now we're going to top coat these beautiful nails. And I'm just using Madam Glam's No Wipe top coat. Some of us wear glitter right throughout the year, but there are some people, maybe because of the kind of jobs that they do or just life, personal circumstances, they can't. So this time of the year, you know, it's really nice when you can have that little special polish. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm just going to show you everything. Here are how the nails look, and this is with a no wipe top coat, and look at that glitter shimmer, and that's with the flash. Now without the flash, you see it just literally, it, you know, just looks like glitter, right? Again, with the flash, how insane is that? Oh, the House of Reflection is absolutely a gorgeous collection and definitely will have you Christmas ready. Let me show you the rest because I did do individual swatches as well, so you can just, you know, have a look at the colors individually. So this is Christmas Essence, beautiful red. And we have Mary Berry. Now, there is a lady called Mary Berry. And this really feels like this would be her favorite color. She bakes. She's absolutely an amazing, like, oh my gosh. Then we have Celestial Green, gorgeous green. We have a Magic Night. Again, it's your perfect blue for Christmas. And when we get into the reflectives, we have Tinsel. Ooh, look at Tinsel go. It's literally like all your reflective needs in a light. Look at that. So beautiful. You have Joy. Joy is an awesome red. But look at all the different shifts in there. You see all different colors, right? Last but not least, we have Enchanted Blue. Really, really pretty. And I love the hollow glitters in there as well. Okay, now, who would I be if I didn't do them in matte? Just to show you. Now I want you to see how, obviously you probably guessed it anyway, but obviously in matte it's very muted glossy and matte, right? But it still actually looks beautiful even in matte. So choice is definitely yours. And I'll show you the solid colors in matte. So these are the solid colors in matte, and obviously again it just mutes it. When you look at it in glossy, it's just like, oh, matte is definitely still a vibe, but you know, the option is definitely all yours. So again, guys, thank you so much. Please take advantage, use, share the codes please on screen. And you know, unless obviously you have a VIP subscription, you can save yourself some money. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm Mama Does Nails. I'm out. Please catch me in the next one because I have so many ideas for this collection. It's unreal. So definitely please just look out for the notifications. Love you. Bye.